Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Yeah, fine. So welcome to this session, right? So let's see the PYQs of computer network. Let's see the PYQs of computer network. So in this class we are going to discuss, right? So few PYQs, approximately 20 PYQs of computer network. Can you see the problem number 1? I given one of my serial number. So can you see the problem? A subnet has been assigned a subnet mask of this one. What is the maximum number of hosts that can be belongs to this subnet? Yeah, can you try to give answer? A subnet has been assigned a subnet mask of this. What is the maximum number of hosts that can be belongs to this subnet? Can anyone guess? Is there anyone who can give the answer? Let's see. Anyone? Subnet mask is given and is asking, by seeing this subnet mask, please let us know how many hosts it can accommodate. If you see the subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 192. So I think these are all ones okay. This is also all ones okay. This is also all ones okay. But if you see 192, double one followed by double zero. So these. So you know very well in the mask, one syndicate in the mask, network and subnet. Zero syndicate host. In the mask, right? One syndicate, network and subnet, zero syndicate host. Zero syndicate host. I think host purpose 6 bits. So 2 power 6 hosts, 2 power 6 IP is possible, minus 2 hosts possible. These many hosts. 64 minus 2, 62. So answer is C. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. ReddySir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. A subnet has been assigned a subnet mask of this. What is the maximum number of hosts that can belongs to the subnet? Right, in the host part, all zeros will be used for subnet ID. All ones are used for a DBA, direct broadcast address. In the host part, all ones, DBA. Not in the host part. In the IP, all are ones, LBA. In the host part, all ones, DBA. In the IP, all are one, LBA. Right? I will write that also. DBA means host part, all ones. LBA means in the given IP, all ones. That is the difference. LBA, DBA. So, some people are asking, how you know that host is 6 bits? How you know? In the subnet mask, how many zeros are there? Those many hosts. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. Those are per host. 6 bits per host. 6 bits per host. So 2 power 6 minus 2 hosts possible. So 62 hosts possible. Right? I think this problem everyone is comfortable. Let's go to next. Yeah. Can you say what is the answer of this? Right? Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Anyone can give answer, please check. The ratio of the number of IP addresses contained in class A to that of class E is 8:1. The number of IP addresses contained in class D is 75% of less than the number of IP addresses contained in class B. Check one time. Yeah, let me try this. So if you see class A, number of is one, number of IP addresses in class A. I think everyone know 2 power 31. Number of IP addresses in class A 2 power 31 because one bit is 0. First bit is 0 fixed. So remaining is 31 2 power 31. What about class E? Class E, I think last one, 4 bits are fixed to 2 power 28. So class A is going to be 2 power 31. Class E is going to be 2 power 28. So it is going to be 2 power 28 into 2 cube. It is going to be 2 power 28. If you remove it, 8 is to 1. So 1 is true. The ratio of the number of IP addresses contained in class A to that of class E is 8:1. See the 2. See the 2. The number of IP addresses contained in class D is 75% of the less than 75% less than, right? The number of IP addresses contained in class B. Let's check. Class B, how many IPs? IP addresses is saying class B how many? I think class B 2 bits are fixed, so 2 power 30. What about D? 4 bits are fixed, 2 power 28. So how much less, right? So 2 power 30 minus 2 power 28. Percentage is asking by 2 power 30, which is going to be, I think if you common 2 power 28, 2 square, I think 3 by 2 power 28 into 2 square. This is going to be 2 power 28 common. So 2 power 28, 28 cancel. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4, which is going to be 4 sevens 28. Right? I think 4 sevens 28 to remember. 7s 28. Next one is I think 28 2. I think right 4 4 16. Check once. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. 28 means 2 remaining, right? So 0.75, which is nothing but 75%. 75% less. The number of IP addresses contained in class D is 75% less than the number of IP addresses present in class B. So it is correct. So I think answer is going to be C. Both are correct. Check one time. Class B 2 power 30 IP addresses. Class D 2 power 28. So right. So the question is going to be class D how many less? The number of IP addresses in class D is 75% less. So how many less? I think 2 power, right? What is the answer? 2 power 30 minus 2 power 28. Right? These many less. Right? Percentage. Right? 2 out of 2 power 30. So 0.75, which is nothing but 75%. So if anyone having little doubt also, please let me know. ReddySir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Yeah, what is the answer of this problem? Can you try this also? Try one time. What is the answer of this? Everyone try. If the number of networks present in class B and class C are 2 power P, 2 power Q respectively, and the number of hosts present in the B and C are 2 power M minus 2 and 2 power N minus 2 respectively, then which one of the following is correct? Then which one of the following is correct? Can you help me? Can you help me one small line? The number of networks present in class B and class C. Class B, how many? Networks, how many? Class B. If you see the class B, 16, right? Number of network, but 2 bits are fixed. I think 2 power 14. The 2 power 14. What about class C? Number of network. Now, when you say class C, I think 16 bits and 8 bits. Out of 16, 3 bits are fixed. So 2 power 13. Check one time. Class C, 3 bits are fixed. Class B, 2 bits are fixed. 14, 13. Let me know if anyone having doubt. And the number of hosts present in B and C are 2 power n minus 2, 2 power n minus 2. So B and C, B host is asking. Host means I think it is going to be 2 power 16 minus 2. Class B. What about class C? Class C less people. 2 power 8 minus 2. So now if you observe clearly, P is equal to 14, Q is equal to 13, M is equal to 16, N is equal to 8. So this is the given information. Now he's saying the number of networks present in class A is 2n. 2n. What is the n? 8. 2 into 8, 16. The number of networks present in class A is 16. No. The number of networks present in the class A. Right? Class A is saying. Class A. So class A, how many networks possible? Class A, how many networks possible? I think 2 power, right? I think 2 power networks is asking. 2 power 7 networks possible. Right? In the class A, 2 power 7 networks possible, but he is saying only 16. So A wrong. Can you go to B? The relation between M and N will be M is equal to 2N. What is the M? What is the M? 16. What is the N? 8. 2 into 8. 16. I think that is true. The relation between P and N will be 4P. What are the 4P? P is going to be 14. Right? 14 fours, 56. 7N, 7 8 56. True. So I think B and C correct for this. For this problem, B and C is correct. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Those people who are watching, if you have doubt, please let me know. Please respond one time. Please respond one time if you have small doubt also. If you have small doubt also, you can respond. Everyone. Small doubt also, please respond. If no doubt, please inform me, no doubt. If no doubt, please inform me, no doubt. If no doubt, please inform me, no doubt. Make it fast. Clear. Right. Perfect, Sagar. Let's go to next problem. Can you try this? This is going to be little tricky. You can read once. Sagar, this is going to be little tricky. You can try once. Try once. Try one time. Yeah, if you observe clearly this problem, this is the given IP. This is the given IP. In the given IP, if you see, right, these are the mask bits. So out of 32 bits, mask bits are 17, which is nothing but 15 bits are host purpose. So mask means everyone know. Mask belongs to subnet also. Mask belongs to network area. Mask belongs to network area. These 15 are host purpose. So 2 power 15 minus 2 hosts possible. Right? So 17 for mask. Right? So 32 minus 17, 15 bits per host, 2 power 15 minus 2. Right? This is for network. These are for host. This is for host. Till now, fine. And one more thing is, some people are asking, sir, mask purpose 17 means, what is the mask, sir? I am writing also. 17 bits for mask. 255, 8 over. 255, 8 over. So total 17, right? So here, this place, 1 is there, 128. So 0. Actually, this is the mask. 255, 255, 128, 0. This is the mask. Right? This is the mask. Instead of giving that much bigger mask, they written easiest way. 16 plus 1, 17. So this is the mask. Mask purpose 15 bits. So remember, we have 2 power 15 minus 2. These many hosts are present. Now some people are asking, sir, what is the actual problem? Now see this one. An organization requires a range of IP addresses to assign one of its 1500 computers. IP addresses to assign to one of its 1500 computer means they want to give IP address to for 1500 people. The organization has approached the right ISP for this task. The ISP uses CIDR and service that requests the available IP address space from this. The ISP wants to assign the address space to the organization, which will minimize the number of routing entries in the IP. Which one of the following address spaces are potential candidate from which ISP can allot to any one of these organizations? Right now observe clearly. So because of you want 1500, so you have to go for subnetting. You have to go for subnetting. Can you help me one small line now? 1500 means 2 power 10 is 1024, 2 power 10, 1024, 2 power 11, 2048. I think 11 bits. It is approximately 2 power 11 bits. 11 bits for subnet purpose. Right? So sorry for this one. 2 power 11. Right? Everyone observe. Out of these 15 bits, right, you want to give, right? So 2 power, right, 11 bits for computers. So I think these many hosts you want. Let's try here. Out of these 15 people, 15 bits for host purpose. Out of this, you want to host only for this. You want to only host for this. What I mean? 2 power 11 for host. Means 11 bits for host. So remaining 4 here. 4 for the subnet purpose. This is for host purpose. Check properly. Actually, you have 2 power 15. You actually have 15 bits for host. But he's saying that I want to only for 1500. 1500 purpose. 11 bits are more than enough. Remaining for, right? I think you can go for subnet purpose. Now, if you see the diagram, see correctly. If you see the diagram, everyone observe. So 4 bits for host, right? 17 bits. Can you see this one? See everyone? 8 bits for the network. One more 8 for network. One more bit for network. 1 bit for network. Next one. 4 bits for 1 bit for network. 4 bits for subnet. right? I think see this one. Out of 15, subnet purpose 4, host purpose 11. 11 means 3 here. This is for host, 3 here. So this is for 8 here. 8 bits for host. So this entire part is for host. This is for subnet. So 4 plus 11, 15. This entire thing for network. Right? So in the given problem, what is the network part? Write as it is. Network part is given 20 to 61. Let me write. Network part, if you see, 20 to 61. Network part. Dot. So if you see the next one, network, right? 0.0. Let's see this. 0.0. Everyone observe 0.0. So 0 can be written. See this one. 0.0. It's okay. 8 zeros here. Dot 8 zeros here. Observe clearly. Otherwise, it may create some trouble to you. Observe clearly. So this is 20 to 61 network as it is I written. So one bit for network, that is also okay. Remember these 4 bits for subnet, this entire thing for host purpose. So remember everyone, host 0 to host part, right? All zeros to all ones. Host part, all zeros to all ones. Host part, all zeros to all ones. That's okay. Now see this one. See everyone correctly. 4 bits for subnet. 4 bits for subnet. Right? Subnet 4 zeros to subnet 4 ones. Subnet 4 zeros to subnet 4 ones. Right? Everyone knows. So these many subnets. How many subnets? 16 subnets possible. 16 subnets possible. Then what about this bit? This bit anyhow 0. Because it is not part of the subnet. It is not part of the host also. It is simply part of the network. So now observe. With the help of options, you can manage. Observe clearly. For every subnet, there are hosts are possible. Right? 2 power 11 approximately. For every subnet 0, 2 power 11 host. Subnet 1, 2 power 11 host. Subnet 2, 2 power 11 host. Like that, there are so many subnets. Now you can check one by one. Options. So is there any chance of first one? 20 to already there, 61 already. First 2 bytes, don't think much. First 2 bytes, right? 2 bytes, don't think much. Remaining thing you think. 84 0. Remember everyone. 84 0. Is it possible 84 here? Because these all are subnet IDs. Subnet ID means host part zeros. This is 0 only. This part is 0 only. Here only 64 can you write? Only 64 you can you write or not? So what are the bits here? It is the 7th bit. Right? See this one. It is the 7th bit. It is the 6th bit. It is the 5th bit. Right? It is the 4th bit. It is the 3rd bit. Right? Remember 6th bit, 5th bit, 4th bit, 3rd bit. Will you get 84? 84 means 64 plus 20. 20. But 20 can be written as 16 plus 4. 4 means it will go to this area. It is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. 4 is here. You cannot go there. Here only. Is it possible? Right? It's not possible. So this is not possible. Right? Subnet part has 84 possible. So remember 6th bit, 5th bit, 4th bit, 3rd bit. 6th bit, 5th bit, 4th bit, 3rd bit. Only these 4 bits you have to use. Using these 4, can you write 84? Not possible. Because you want 4, you have to go to host part. right? Let's go to next one. Is 104 possible? 104 means 64. Remaining 40 required, 32. Right? It is a 64, right? I want 104, right? 104. Let's see this one. 104, 64, 32. It's going to be 96. Next to 96, 8. I think possible. 64 possible, 2 power 5, 32 possible, 2 cube 8 also possible. I think it is possible. Let's go to third one. Let's go to third one. So 64. Is 64 possible? Of course. Sixth bit you can make directly 1. It is also possible. Some people are asking, sir, what about 144? Can you write 144 how? 128? 144 means 128. So remaining if you observe, I think 128, right? Plus 10 if you add 138 plus 6. Right? I think 18, approximately 18. 18, 16, right? So I think maybe 84, maybe. Let's check this one. Approximately 128 here. So if you see the remaining, so 2 plus 10, 12, 12 plus, right? 12 plus 4, 16, 16 required. 16. I think directly I can write 16. So 8 plus 6 is going to be 14. 4, I think, right? What about 144? Possible? 16 required. 128 plus 16. Please check if anything wrong. 144 required. 144 required. So 2 power 7 is 128. Oh, 2 power 7. Remember it is not part of. Right? 144 is not possible because 2 power 7 is not part of the subnet. So it is not possible. So fourth also not possible. So 2, 3 possible. 2, 3 possible. So B is the answer. Right? So remember, by changing only subnet, because of they all are right, subnet IDs means host part zeros. Host part you cannot touch. The things which are there before subnet also you cannot touch. They are already fixed. The only thing you can change is subnet ID you can change. Subnet ID you can change. So by arranging 6th bit to 5th bit to 4th bit to 3rd bit, can you write this 144? I cannot write because 128 required, which is part of, right, before the subnet. So answer is B. It is a little tricky problem. So if anyone having small doubt, please let me know. Sagar, are you okay or not? If you okay, let me know. If you are not okay, I will repeat again. Sagar, little doubt also there, ask me, I will help you. By changing only subnet part, can you make 144? Please check once. If possible, then 4 also. It's a little tricky problem. I don't know how many people got. It's a little tricky problem. Right. Perfect. Yeah. What is the answer of this problem? If a class B network on the internet has a subnet mask of 255, 255, 248, what is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? Remember, it is a class B. If a class B network on the internet has a subnet mask of 255, 255, 248, what is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? If a class B network on the internet has a subnet mask of 255, 255, 255, so sorry, 2 times 255, 248, what is the maximum number of? Remember, class B, 16 plus 16. In this 16, see the mask one time. In this 16, see the mask one time. Right? See the mask one time. What's the answer? Mask contain 248. Means I think 7. I think 4 bits. I think 16 plus 4, 20 bits for a mask. 20 bits for mask. I think 12 bits. So what I mean to say is, by seeing that I can easily say, right? Actually, if you observe clearly, 12 bits for subnet. Actually, see this one, 16 bits for host. Actually, Actually 16 bits for host, 16 bits for network actually. But by seeing this mask, I can say, right, I think few bits from the host gone. How many? Only 12 only host. 4 is going to be subnet. So 12 bits only host. 4 is going to be subnet. What is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? 2 power 12 minus 2. 2 power 10 is 1024. Right? 2 power 11 is, right, 2048. Right? 2048. 2 power 12 is 4096. Right? Minus 2. Minus 2. Do calculations properly. If anything wrong. Class B network 1616. Can you say 248 means, oh sorry for this. 248 means how many bits required? 5 bits. 3 bits, I think 3. I think 8 plus 3, 11. Sorry for this, it is 11. 11 for host. Sorry for this. This 248 can be written as like this. It is a 240. It is a 248. 5 bits required. So 3 for the host. 3 plus 1 more 8. So this is this area. So here 11, which is going to be 2 power 11 minus 2. 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 11 is 2048 minus 2. So 2046. 2046. Yeah, 2046. So C is the answer. By mentioning the class B 1616, by seeing the mask in those 16, right, in those 16, what is the answer? This is 5. This is 11. 5, 11. 11 means 2 power 11 host minus 2 hosts possible, which is going to be this. Which is going to be this. Yeah, let me know anyone having any doubt. What is the maximum number of hosts per subnet? Anyone? Verify properly. Yeah, if you okay, we can move to the next problem. So here I am stopping. Here I am stopping. In the next class, we'll see a few more. So, and one more thing is, if you are preparing for GATE 2025, there is a RIC course which contain for every subject 300 questions. 300 top quality questions will be solved. Like that for 13 subjects, approximately 4,000 questions will be solved. This is the best course for 2025 GATE exam. Only 100 days are left out. This is the best course for 2025 GATE exam. This is the best course for 2025 GATE exam. This is the RIC course, right? So if you want to join RIC course, you can go to ExamPrepTool.com. You can join there, or you can WhatsApp me. I'm going to help you also, right? So 8882089903. You can WhatsApp me, right? So I will guide you also. Otherwise, go to ExamPrepTool.com. From there also you can take. This is the best course for the 2025 GATE exam. It is the best course for 2025 GATE exam. Every subject 300 questions, like that 4,000 questions we are going to solve. Anyone having any small doubt, please let me know. So this is the thing. Yeah. So I given the code number, WhatsApp number also given, code also there, right? There is a 41% discount is going on. Use that code. 41% discount is going on. That is a WhatsApp number. And go to the website and RIC course you can buy. GATE CSE, you will see the GATE CSE RIC. GATE DA, you will see GATE DA RIC. 41% discount going on, you can utilize it. Let me know if anyone having any small doubt also. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you.